Just visit createincomeWithoutAjob.com. Click Free Stuff and download the financial questionnaire. Today, we're going to focus on that financial questionnaire. Whenever anybody uses the word budget or asks or challenges us about what we're spending, how we're spending our funds, first of all, it's very easy to become defensive. Secondly, it's kind of hard to be objective about our spending and how we use our financial resources. So much like exercise is easier with a partner, with a buddy, we are making this video to help walk you through the financial questionnaire. And we're going to do this in several parts. There are several different parts of the financial questionnaire that address how we spend our money in different areas of our lives. So the result of these exercises are to help you to really understand where your money's going, how you've been spending, and then some things you may want to adjust or adapt as you're walking through the create income process until you have created more income for yourself. So let's get started with the financial questionnaire. And we're going to go through a series of questions on the questionnaire, and then we will direct you to see the next video that will take you through additional questions that address a different area of spending in your life. So let's get started. Do you save money? And if yes, how much and how frequently? Unfortunately, many of us don't do a really good job of saving money. And as I've shared before in other videos, even when you save money, I had 6 months of savings in the bank when I lost my full-time job, and I still ran out of money and ended up broke and homeless. So savings is designed to spend for certain expenditures. Savings is designed for emergencies, and savings will only take you so far. But it is important to develop the habit of saving. Do you have more than one source of income? This is very important. Many of us just have that job, and that's the primary source of our income. Hopefully, you have more than one source of income that you're creating outside of your job. It's so easy these days to have a home-based business, some type of sideline income that you control, that you create using your natural talents, gifts, and abilities, maybe a multi-level marketing program, networking marketing, something that creates additional income for you. If you do have multiple streams of income, how much per month from each venture? Do you have a written budget? This question used to always freak me out, and it still does a little because I'm 100% self-employed. So I have no steady, regular income that comes in from anywhere. When the first of the month arrives, I have no clue where my income is coming from that's going to satisfy, fulfill all of the bills that we have and take care of expenses, unexpected things. So when you're self-employed, there's a little uncertainty there that can be there. However, it's still good to have a written budget. At least that gives you targets for which to aim for. Do you have more than $200 a month in payments for your car loan, personal loans, or credit cards? For the majority of us, the answer to that is yes. And so write those expenses down. Write each one down. How much is the car payment? How much in personal loans? How much do I have monthly or quarterly or annually that I'm paying out, that I owe, that I must pay? Next, do you have more than $100 per month in payments for school loans or tuition or medical payments? Again, write those down. Write school loan, write tuition, write medical bills, and list those. List the amount that's due, the total balance due, as well as the amount that's due monthly. Do you rent or own your home? That's a simple question. So write down the amount of monthly rent you pay or the amount of your mortgage. If you have a mortgage, do you also have rental income? Perhaps you rent a portion of your home, or maybe you are subletting part of your apartment. Write down what your cost is for your monthly rent or mortgage, and then write down whatever income you have from that. So this is create income with or without a job. We are walking through how to handle your finances without a paycheck. We have completed one area of our lives in which we handle our finances. And what we're helping you do with this exercise is to become sensitive and aware of how you're spending your funds, how you've been spending funds, so that you can now, as you look forward to creating income without a job, without a paycheck, you can look forward to some adjustments that you may choose to make to how you've been expending money. Give